That $150 price tag isn't a deal. It's a trap set by manufacturers who know exactly how the math works, and they're betting you don't. When you buy a bottom-barrel cordless lawnmower, you aren't just buying a tool. You're signing a contract for frustration, wasted Saturdays, and hidden costs that'll eventually total more than the price of a premium machine. Before you click Add to Cart on that unknown brand, you need to understand the 10 mechanical and financial realities they're hiding from you. Reason number 1, the brushed motor handicap. Most ultra-cheap mowers use old-school brushed motors to cut costs. These rely on physical carbon brushes that create friction and heat, meaning up to 15% of your battery power is wasted as heat rather than used to cut grass. When you hit a thick patch, a brush motor doesn't ramp up torque. It overheats and stalls. You aren't just losing power, you're losing efficiency. Reason number 2, the no-load runtime scam. When the box says 30 minutes of runtime, that is based on no-load testing, spinning the blade in thin air with zero resistance. In the real world, grass creates a drag. On a budget lawnmower with a low-capacity 2.0 AH battery, that 30-minute rating physically collapses to 12 or 15 minutes under the load of actual turf. You end up with a half-cut lawn not because you mowed too slow, but because the math was rigged against you. Reason number 3, the 0.5A charging bottleneck. To keep the price down, budget mowers include trickle chargers with an output as low as 0.5A. This is the same technology used for cheap toys. While a quality charger can refill a battery in 60 minutes, a cheap trickle charger takes 4 to 6 hours. If you don't finish your lawn in one go, you aren't finishing it today. Reason number 4, the geometry of wasted walking. The difference between a cheap 14-inch stack and a standard 21-inch stack is simple geometry. A 14-inch mower covers roughly 35% less area per pass. That means to mow the exact same yard, you have to walk 35% more distance. You are voluntarily adding thousands of extra steps to your chore list just to save $50 up front. Reason number 5, low blade tip speed tears your grass. Quality of cut is determined by how fast the tip of the blade spins. Cheap mowers run at lower RPMs to conserve their tiny batteries. Instead of slicing the grass cleanly, a slow blade bludgeons and tears it. This leaves jagged tips that turn brown and invite disease, meaning your lawn will actually look yellower and unhealthier after you mow it. Reason number 6, the single-use plastic chassis. Standard mowers use steel or high-impact polycomposite decks. Budget models often use brittle, standard ABS plastic. In a yard environment, you will eventually hit a rock or a hard root. Steel-dense, brittle plastic cracks. Once the deck creates a vacuum leak or loses structural integrity, the mower is effectively garbage. Reason number 7, the battery replacement trap. This is the core of the business model. Lithium-ion batteries degrade. When your cheap off-brand battery inevitably fails after 18 months, you will find that a replacement costs 60 to 70% of the original tool's price. You're forced into a decision: overpay for a battery for a dying tool or throw the whole machine in the landfill. Reason number 8, orphan manufacturing. Many of the bargain brands on Amazon are white label products produced in batches. Once that batch sells out, the brand name often disappears or changes. This means zero customer support, zero firmware updates, and zero availability of spare parts like blades or safety keys. You're buying a disposable product. Reason number 9, passive safety failures. Premium mowers use active electronic braking to stop the blade instantly when you release the handle. Cheap units often rely on mechanical friction or just let the blade spin down freely. If you slip on wet grass or a child runs up to the mower, those extra seconds of spinning blade create a danger zone that simply shouldn't exist in modern tools. Reason number 10, the buy nice or buy twice reality. The return rate on budget cordless mowers is notoriously high for a reason. Most homeowners struggle with the stalling in the short runtime for one season before giving up and buying the mower they should have actually bought in the first instance. By the time you buy the good mower, you pay for it plus the cost of the cheap one. You don't need to spend a fortune, but you do need to respect the physics of the job. You need a voltage high enough to generate torque, a brushless motor for efficiency, and a deck built to last. If you want a machine that hits the perfect balance between price and performance, we think you can take a look at the Greenworks 40V brushless 21-inch. The link is there in description. It solves every problem we just listed. It uses a brushless motor, so you get more torque and longer life without the heat. It has a steel deck, not plastic, so it survives real-world bumps. And most importantly, it runs on a 40V platform that provides actual cutting power, not just spinning noise. It is a sweet spot, affordable enough, fit budget, but built well that you won't be shopping for another mower next summer. Check the link in the description to see the current best price and stop wasting your weekends on tools that can't keep up. If you liked it, do like, share, and subscribe to Up on Top for more videos like this one.